Then he was very young. He was not playing. He was not playing with. He didn't play with other children because he had many problems. He never spoke to anyone. So other children didn't like him. And rest means many of the children who actually played with him didn't like him because he was like very boring person. He never uttered any word, he never spoke any word to them, he never participated in the game, in the play. That's why all the children used to call him brother boring. In starting he was facing many problems. When he was 2.5 years, then he was unable to speak properly, and after that there is a beautiful story related to him. When his sister Maja born, then seeing her, he said, very nice, but where are her wheels? Means actually he thought that it was like a toy. Means he was not thinking that Maza was a living thing. He started thinking about her that she was a toy. Means after that, when he started schooling, and in that time, means when he started schooling, there were also many problems. He was so dull type of student. His headmaster believed that he would never get success in his life, because when his headmaster met with his father, then he told him that no matter what Albert Einstein was going to do, but he never gets success in his life. After that, when he was 6 years old, his mother actually insisted him to start playing violin, and from that means from when he was 6 years old, he started playing violin, and he became expert. Means when and after that, gradually he when he became 15 years old, his parents left his own place, actually left his Ulm, and they started settling in Munich. Means actually they actually departed from Ulm to Munich. They started living there, and that's why Albert Einstein started going to that school, because which was situated in Munich, but he was very fed up with that. Means the school regimentation which was going, which was actually being imparted, which was being given there, he was not satisfied. Actually, regimentation. What is regimentation? I'm telling. Regimentation means where all students are forced to do all the works in systematic way. You cannot laugh, you cannot walk without any order, you cannot make noise. Means where a very strict discipline is going on. That type of regimentation he never liked in his life. And though in that year, means he was in high school standard, and he got very good marks in all subject, but he left the school because he never liked the regimentation, means the discipline which was being imparted, which was being given there, that he hated actually. After that, means he actually discussed with his parents that he wanted to continue his study, and he started study at a university in Zurich, which was situated in Switzerland. Means there he started gaining all the things, because that atmosphere, that ambience which was being imparted, which was being given there in Zurich, it was amazing, it was lovely. Means he started the study, started all the things from the school which was being given to him. He liked that type of atmosphere which was given there. He said about him that he was God gifted in mathematics, but one thing I would like to tell you, that he was God gifted in mathematics, but he loved, but he was having a highly interest in physics. Means during these days when he was having his education at university in Zurich, he met a girl named Milva Merrick. They both started liking each other. They fell in love with each other because there were many habits, there were many qualities which they had seen. Actually, Albert Einstein had written many letters to her, and because he was working on physics, she was also supporting him. So they both had many many qualities, traits which were similar to each other. One thing I would like to tell you, Milva Merrick and Albert Einstein hated those people who didn't like Philistine. Philistine, actually, it is Philistine is a word. Is a word, means it signifies that it is a group of people who actually loved art, music. So Albert Einstein and Milva Merrick, they both hated those persons which actually who hated Philistine. And in this process, actually, his own family members were participating. His own family members were like the person who hated Philistine. Okay, next heading I have told you that he completed his graduation from the University Zurich. At that time, when he completed his graduation, in that time his age was 21. Means at 21 he became graduated from the University Zurich. He completed his graduation, but still he was not having any job. He was still unemployed. After that, he started working as a teaching assistant. Means as a teacher, he started working in different places. After that, he also worked like a private tutor in some places. But that fame, that popularity, he was not having. The money which he required, he was also not having. After that, what happened? In 1902, he got actually a job in 1902 as a technical expert in patent office in Bern. His work was only to see other works. Means actually his work was to see the inventions of other people which was collected there in that office. He thoroughly studied. He clarified. He saw nicely. He thoroughly studied which type of inventions were collected at that patent office. Meanwhile, when he was working there, he was also developing his own theory. In that time, means many type of letters he had written, he had collected, and where he was working, in that drawer of desks, he had collected, means there all the papers, all the, means what type of theory which he was developing, that actually he had collected there. After that, means he developed a theory of relativity. He told in this that if two clocks were put together, and after a long journey, if we would see then we would find that two clocks would not give accurate time after making a journey. And he means in this way he tried to prove his theory, and means it was proved according to his theory, because he had given one example also. He told that it was like that if we are sitting with a beautiful girl, then 2 hours will become 2 minutes. But if you are sitting with a burning stove, then 2 minutes we will feel like 2 hours. And he also developed a formula E is equal to mc square. After that, I am going to next setting. When he was doing very good job, and when he was doing many good works in other field like in mathematics and physics, but in that time his private life was scattering in many parts. Actually, he was in love with Milo Merrick actually, and she was very intelligent. That's why his mother didn't like her, and she was actually older 3 years to him. His mother wanted a very simple type of girl for her own son. She was very intelligent. She was 3 years older to her son. That's why his mother thought that his son should not be married to that girl, because she was like book to him. So we can say that his life was facing many problems related to private life. His mother never favored that his son should be married to that lady, to that girl. But it was the date 1903, his mother died, and in the same year he got married Milva Merrick. They both got married, and they were having 2 sons, but they were not happy. After some years, they started quarreling with each other. Milva Merrick had many problems. She got converted into a lady who was very irritated at every step, and she was not taking interest in many other activities, and so she was having many problems. That's why they both got divorced in 1914, and in the same year Albert Einstein got married to Elsa. Elsa was his own cousin. After that, what happened? Rising to world fame. Means he was continuously working in the field of physics, and the general theory of relativity was published in 1915. This theory, when it was broken in the world, it got lot of popularity, lot of fame for Albert Einstein. It means in this theory, the gravity actually was explained in different ways, and when at the time of solar eclipse, this theory theory of relativity was accurate and was correct. After that, when this theory proved correct, when this theory was proved correct, then a lot of honor, respect, a lot of honor and lot of respect, and many invitations were showered to him. He became the face of media. Actually, media was not so modern, so the magazine and newspaper, in those magazine and in those newspaper, he was published, and many invitation he was having, and he was showered a lot of fame, lot of popularity, honor, respect. And meanwhile, and after that, what happened? Means media also called his work a scientific revolution. Means after that, what happened? Means in 1921, he got Nobel Prize in the field of physics. Means so in this way we can see that Albert Einstein proved him at every step. He also proved that he was the best scientist. After that, next ending I am telling you. In 1933, this is the date when Hitler became dictatorship of Germany. When Nazis came in power, then the whole world got frightened. Even Albert Einstein also got afraid and he decided to settle in America. He left his place where he was living and he started living in America. The discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin, actually in Germany, made the whole world frightened. So American scientists American scientists were also troubled to get information that the discovery of nuclear fission was discovered in Berlin, because they were knowing the results, what would happen if they had searched, if they had discovered nuclear fission, then it was sure that they would make nuclear bomb, and everybody was knowing if nuclear bomb was dropped at any place, then result you could imagine. So after that I am telling you, lover of humanity, if we see his whole life, we will find that he was a great lover of humanity. Means when he came to know that discovery of nuclear fission was done, then his many colleagues requested him to write actually a letter to President of America, who was the President of America in that time, Roosevelt Franklin. Means he wrote a letter to the American President Franklin D. But result was zero. Nothing happened. Means after that he wrote a letter, and he also warned that if a single bomb could drop, if a single bomb actually exploded at any port, then it would not only destroy the port, it would destroy the whole area where it was situated. And result, what was the result? If we tried to come to know about that, then we would come to know, because means all American scientists, they developed nuclear bomb, actually atomic bomb, and in that time, it was the time 1945, means Second World War was going on. In that time, Japan was disturbing America. So American scientists dropped the nuclear bomb on the two cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Means actually it was date on 6th August and 9th August. Means when this information was known to Albert Einstein, he was deeply shaken. Again, he wrote a letter actually to United Nations. He requested in that letter to form a world government. Means then after his suggestion could have been done, could have been done actually means after that means by this theory, by actually these information I'm actually telling you that which type of scientist he was. He was lover of humanity. He loved humans. He never wanted that any human should be killed by these type of invention, because these invention were killing the humanity. After that, what happened? He started working in politics and he started campaign for peace and democracy. He wanted that in whole world democracy should be established, and he was favoring to democracy and peace for the whole world. But the date is still left, means 1955, when he was at the age of 76, he left the whole world. Still, we can see when he died, he was celebrated. His actually death was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen. So this all information by this summary, I have tried to give a kind of information related to Albert Einstein. I am sure that you must like it. Thanks. ओके, मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद.